You're building an OnlyFans agency and suddenly it hits you like a DM at 2 in the morning from a fan who says you up, but this time it's a creator asking, so, do you do flat fee or rev share? And now you're staring into the void wondering if you should offer a fixed paycheck, a percentage, or trade them in gold doubloons like a pirate with a business plan. So today I'm breaking down the big juicy question every agency faces when working with models, which is whether you should offer a revenue share or a flat fee. And I promise to make this so simple a fifth grader could understand it, but also packed with value like a suitcase before a spicy content trip to the Bahamas. Let's start by defining the two so we're not just pretending. Flat fee means the model gets paid the same amount no matter how much the account earns. Think of it like a salary or weekly payment. You could say, hey model friend, I'll pay you $1,000 a month to send me your content and I'll handle the rest. Revenue share, on the other hand, means the model earns a percentage of whatever the account brings in. So maybe the model gets 40% and you keep 60, or maybe it's the other way around depending on the workload. It's like being partners in a business, where the paycheck goes up or down depending on performance. Now both of these options can work great, but choosing the right one depends on what kind of agency you're running, what type of model you're working with, and how many late-night forehead sweats you want to avoid. So let's play a little game called Flat Fee versus Rev Share, the spicy showdown. Round 1 is stability. Flat fee wins here because the model knows exactly how much they're making, and so do you. Everyone's chill. There's no calculator fights or surprise earnings disputes. It's easy to budget, easy to manage, and makes sense for newer models or models who just want content simplicity without risk. But Rev Share gets spicy because it motivates both sides. If the model makes more, so do you. If the account blows up from $10,000 to $50,000 per month, nobody's mad, everyone wins, and it feels like magic. Unless it crashes and now the model's mad because she was counting on that Bali trip and now she's at home binge watching cat videos and blaming you. Round 2 is control. With flat fees, you basically own the workload. You can schedule, message, promote, and run the business like a boss. Since the model's getting paid no matter what, you're free to optimize how you want without explaining every single DM. But with Rev Share, you gotta collaborate more. You're partners, so the model might want to approve captions, see the metrics, or have input on promo decisions. Not a bad thing, just more time and more talking. Now round 3 is risk. Flat fee puts the risk on you. If the account makes less than the fee, you lose money. Ouch. But if it pops off, you get to keep the upside. Rev Share splits the risk. You only pay if the account performs. If there's a bad month, your costs shrink too. That's great for agencies who want to scale fast without bleeding cash on underperforming accounts. But here's a trick not many people talk about. You can do both. That's right, there's a hybrid model where you pay a small flat fee for the model's time and content, then add a Rev Share bonus if the account hits certain goals. For example, maybe you pay $500 a month as a base, and then give the model 20% of anything over $10,000. This makes the model feel secure but still motivated, like getting sprinkles on a cupcake you already love. Another tip for advanced folks is performance-based tiers. This works like a video game. The more the account makes, the higher the model's percentage gets. You can set it up like, earn 0 to 10,000, model gets 30%, 10 to 20,000, model gets 35%, and so on. This way both sides grow together, and nobody gets salty if the numbers are low one month. Now let's talk about how personality plays into this. Because yes, even payment systems have personalities. Flat fee models tend to want stability, simplicity, and maybe they're working with multiple agencies. They don't want to gamble, they want to lock in that monthly cash and focus on content. Rev Share models tend to be go-getters, entrepreneurs, or creators who want to bet on themselves. They believe they'll crush it, and they want to ride the wave with you. Some models don't care and say, just make me money, and some models want spreadsheets and pie charts. Match the system to the person, but no matter what system you choose, communication is key. Don't be the mysterious ghost manager who sends vague messages like, yo, you're getting paid soon maybe, while the model is sending memes wondering if you're real. Write everything in the contract. Outline exactly how payment works, when it's paid, what it's based on, and what happens if someone disappears, misses content deadlines, or suddenly goes full ninja mode and vanishes from the internet. Use tools like PandaDoc or HelloSign so your agreements are clean, digital, and enforceable. Even in the world of online income and digital hustle, models want more than just a number. They want a manager who communicates clearly, helps them grow, handles the hard stuff, and actually cares about their brand. If your system, flat fee or Rev Share, comes with support, growth, creative freedom, and a team they can trust, they'll stay. I've seen models leave rev share deals for flat fees because the agency was messy, and I've seen models turn down huge flat fees because the manager felt like a weird robot. People matter more than percentages. One advanced tip that most people don't use is adding non-monetary bonuses. For example, offer to pay for professional photo shoots, branding sessions, cross-promo with top creators, or paid ads to grow their fan base. These are business expenses for you and massive value for them. Add those into your pitch and suddenly your offer goes from meh to where do I sign? Now I know some people are wondering, should I ever do rev share with a brand new model? Great question. It depends. If the model has no following and no proof of content delivery, I either start with a flat fee trial or a very small rev share with weekly performance reviews. Never lock yourself into a long-term deal with someone you've never seen perform. That's like buying a mystery sandwich from a guy in a dark alley. You might be fine, or you might regret everything. Start small. Prove value. Then scale. And now, the golden rule, the big mama, the boss of all tips. Whichever model you pick, structure the system to reward both sides and make expectations clear. You don't need drama. You need data, clarity, and mutual wins. When models win and you win, your agency grows, your reputation skyrockets, and your stress level goes down faster than a fan who saw a locked message with the words "you won't last 60 seconds. So there you have it, my full breakdown of rev share versus flat fees, made with rhymes, science, jokes, and truth bombs. If this video saved your brain from exploding or helped you figure out how to not run your agency like a confused llama, then smash that like button like a fan smashing the subscribe button on a free trial. Drop a comment if you're Team Rev Share, Team Flat Fee, or Team Hybrid Hustle. Binge all my other videos like it's study time and you're cramming for the spicy Olympics. And if you want my help setting up your creator pay systems, building an offer that models love, or automating your whole agency so you're not glued to your phone like a stressed out octopus, then book a call or join our school community where we help agency owners scale with simplicity and sauce, peace, profit, and no mystery sandwiches.